Who is a killer? The woman on the left is the killer because she has a knife hidden in her bag. Question 2. Spot the real UK flag. Choose wisely. Double tap the screen just so I know you got it right. Question 3. What is the third app that appears when you click share and then more? If it's Instagram, you're eliminated. Did you know that when you click follow my profile starts dancing? Question 4. Hold the comment button and pick an emoji that represent you the most. I bet you picked this one. Okay, final question. Only a genius can get this one right. Guess the animal. Leave the correct answer in the comment and click here to follow my account for more fun riddles.